Imagine turning your Android device into a digital canvas where every stroke feels like painting on paper. From realistic brushes to endless layers, your creativity has no limits. Welcome to Infinite Painter. Infinite Painter is one of the most advanced drawing apps on Android. It's not just for casual doodling. It gives professional grade tools for artists, designers and anyone who wants to turn ideas into visual masterpiece. Go to your Google Play Store and App Store, then search just Infinite Finite Infinite Painter Painter. Alright, then download this application which have 10 million downloads. Now guys, Infinite Painter is one of the most advanced drawing apps on Android. I said this before. But now we discuss some key features. Over 160 customizable brushes you will see here. Layers with advanced blending modes just like Photoshop. Export options like PSD for cross-platform editing. But here's the question, with so many features, does it collect your private data? The answer is reassuring. Infinite Painter only use storage access to save your work, not spying, not hidden uploads. Your art remains yours. If you are an artist on the move, Infinite Painter is a must-have. It's powerful, initiative and professional. The only challenge you might set to lost in creation that arts will slip away unnoticed. If the artist journey excited you, hit the like button, share with your creative friends and don't forget to subscribe. Because the next step is not just about creativity, it's about rewiring your mind before sleep. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye. Best of luck.